What's up YouTube, Shane Heath here, and I'm finally back. I know it's been a while, took a little leave of absence, we'll say. It's been a while since I posted a video, but I'm back. So today we're going to be out here and we're going to be working on nothing else but the 4Runner again. There's been one major issue or one design flaw that I've seen since we bought this brand new in 2019, and honestly it's took me this long to fix it, but it just finally came around where things lined up and we're going to work on it today. But there's been one thing that's been bugging the crap out of me, and it's probably easy to guess, and if you own a 2019 4Runner, or I think 2020 maybe also, this has probably bugged you too, so let's get right into fixing it. So as we get to the front of the 4Runner here, this is where we're going to be working today. Is there one thing that you notice? Yeah, that's right. The 5th gen 4Runner up to 2019, 2020, I think, they came with LED fog lights and halogen bulb headlights. So it's a mismatched look. This has drove me crazy since we bought this, and honestly in 2019, we had LED lights for everything. Why in the world do these not match? So today we're going to take care of that. Let me grab what I'm actually going to be using. So now, just like in the past, I've worked with this company before. Lasfit has sent me some LED H11 bulbs, which are my low beams for my 4Runner here, or for my wife's 4Runner, which we did lift. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. We actually lifted this thing a little while back, probably in April for her birthday. It was a surprise. Go see that video to see where we are now, but as we continue to do mods, here we are. So we have some LED low beam bulbs here. They also sent me some high beam bulbs, and I'm going to show you something crazy with those. I actually ran over them with the 4Runner and they still work. So I'll show you that in a second, but first let's get these in. Alright, so that's it. Now that already looks a million times better. Just by that matching, pulls that whole look together so much more. Now we also did the high beams, which I'll switch on and off to show you real quick. But that also is your running lights. So now I don't have those orange running lights, we have LED running lights at the same time. So I'm going to show you those. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come out here once it gets a little bit dark, and I'm going to show you the difference between the two bulbs, halogen to LED, and show you the brightness difference in the two. Now this only took me like 6 minutes, and that included trying to film it for you guys, trying to get my hands in there. This was nothing to change out these bulbs. So quick, so easy. So make sure y'all go check out Lasfit, give them some love. Now if you use my promo code below, that'll get you 10% off, I think it is, off of any order on their website. So that'll save you a little bit of money. So be sure to go check those guys out. I know a lot of people on YouTube rep them, but they have great products, so go check them out. Before I lose daylight, remember that story I was telling you about how I ran over one of the boxes? Let me grab it out of here. So look at this right here. So I completely ran this over with the truck here, or the 4Runner. What I did is I came up here and I set it on this wheel while I was working on it. So I got in to back it up to take a photo. When I backed it up, it fell right off and I rolled right over it. So these bulbs in this packaging are in this 4Runner as the high beams, which you just saw working. The bulbs were completely fine, but it absolutely squished the box here. So that shows you the packaging here comes in pretty good, and the bulbs themselves seems like they can take a blow. And now since I'm done working on this, I'm actually going to turn around here and shine it off in the woods. As soon as it gets dark, I'm going to come out here and switch the bulbs back and forth and show you the two comparisons of them on the end of this video. And after that, make sure y'all hit subscribe and check me out in the next video. We got more coming for the 4Runner. Actually got a video for the truck next, so I'm actually going to be able to show you how to play YouTube on your radio. So stay tuned, because you're going to want to check those out. With all that said, this is Shane Heath. Catch you next time.